3, 2, 1.
My name is Nur Zohaira binti Zulkifli. My matrix number is 2020858268. Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Farhana binti Ibrahim with matrix number 2020824532.
Assalamualaikum to Miss Masliana. My name is Nur Hazwani Husna binti Abdul Halim. My matrix number 2020476236.
Hi, my name is Nofara Adriana binti Muhammad Khaize and my matrix number is 2020868792.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika Najwa binti Ula Azmi. My matric number is 2020811278.
Question 4. MaxiClean produces and supplies high-quality portable vacuum cleaner for local and overseas markets. The company needs to develop an aggregate production plan for the period of January until June 2015. The company expected demands are as follows. For the months January, the amount of units 2,200, February 2,500, March 2,900, April 3,100, May 2,300 and June 3,300.
First, unit produced. Formula to find the unit produced is number of workers times working days per period times units per day. We can find it from the question given. So, 10 workers times 22 days per month times 2 units per hour times 7 hours per day. The total that we got is 3,018 units.
In this slide, I will talk about forecast demand and unit produced. In the statement, it said that the company needs to have an additional production of 700 units every month for uncertainty in demand. Okay, in additional information, it said that the beginning inventory is 300 units, which means for January, the amount will be plus with 700 units and will be minus with 300 units. So we will get 2,600. For February, 2,500 plus 700, we will get 3,200. For March, we will get 3,600, April 3,800, May 3,000, June 4,000. And after we calculate the forecast demand, we need to total it and we will get 20,200. Okay, for unit produced in the previous slide, the calculation we get is 3,080 units. So for every month, we will put 3,080 unit produced and we should total it and we will get 18,480.
Next, we need to identify either it is unit access or unit shortage by minus unit produced and forecast demand. If we get positive answer, it will be at unit access, and if it is negative answer, it will be at unit shortage. So for January, we get unit access. February, March, April, we get unit shortage. May, unit access, and for June, we get unit shortage. For January, we have access 480 and put it at the ending inventory unit. For February, we have shortage. So when we have shortage, look at the previous ending inventory. We have 480 unit. On hand, use it to cover the shortage. So 360 left if 480 minus 120. For March, we have shortage. So look at the previous month ending inventory. We do have 360 on hand to use it cover the shortage. So 520 minus 360, but we still short by 160. So we can do overtime with maximum 500 units. So put the 160 under the overtime units. April we short by 720 and look at the previous month ending inventory. We do not have the ending inventory, so we should do overtime units 500 the maximum, and the balance 220 we put it under subcontracting units. For May, we have ending inventory unit. We cannot accumulate the excess because we do not have the previous month ending inventory. For June, we short by 920, so look at the previous month ending inventory. We do have 80 on hand. So 920 minus 80, but we still short by 840. So 500 put it under overtime unit. The balance 340 put it under subcontracting units. And lastly, total up the overtime units, ending inventory units, and subcontracting units. For overtime units, 1,160. Ending inventory units, 920. Subcontracting units, 560.
The last step, we need to find the total production cost for the plant. A, we need to find the regular production cost. To find the regular production cost, the formula is total unit produced times with regular cost per hour times with standard output per hour. For the total unit produced, we can take from the table. The total unit produced is 18,448 units. We will times with 5 units per hours and divide it by 7 hours per day. And then we need to multiply with 2 units per hours, and the total that we will get is 26,400 ringgit Malaysia. To find the total number of overtime costs, we need to use this formula. Total overtime units multiply with overtime cost per unit multiply with standard output per hour. For the total overtime units, we can find it from the table, and the total is 1,160 units, and then we need to multiply with 2 units per hours and divide by 7 hours per day, and we need to multiply with 2 units per hours for the standard output per hour, and the sum up is RM 662.85. And then we need to find the inventory holding cost. For the formula, total ending inventory units multiply with inventory holding cost per unit. For the inventory holding cost per unit is 2 units per month, and for the total inventory units, we can find it from the table, and the total is 920 units. We multiply the 920 units with 2 units per month, and the answer is 1,840 ringgit Malaysia.
Next is I will explain about the subcontracting cost. Total subcontracting units times with subcontracting cost per unit. So 220 units times with 10 unit equals to 2,200 ringgit. And then 340 units times with 10 units equals to 3,400 ringgit. And then 2,200 plus 3,400 equals to 5,600. Lastly, for question E, for total production cost, regular production cost plus overtime cost plus inventory holding cost plus subcontracting cost. So for regular production cost is 26,400 plus overtime cost 662.85, inventory holding cost 1,840, and for subcontracting cost 5,600. So the total is 34,502.85 cents. That's all from our group for presentation today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.